Hello, my friends. My name is Anri, and this is how the power of fitness and nature changed my life, and how it can change yours too. That used to be me. And then that happened. And today I look like this. I grew up on a beautiful farm and was lucky enough to grow up very close to nature. But as I moved to the city after school, I noticed how the man-made concrete jungle slowly stripped me of my happiness. I was used to running in beautiful open spaces, but now had to run on a machine feeling like a battery chicken. Gym made me lose interest in exercising altogether. People say we're the result of our environment. I guess you can say I became the result of the city, a dirty, unbalanced, unhealthy place oozing with gloom. I was immensely unhappy in my own body, but still couldn't manage to control my weight. I realized that it wasn't food that I craved, but something deeper. A place within myself that is timeless. And I found that place through physical theater, movement, dancing and hiking. The more I used my body, the more I became friends with it from within and without. I think we eat too much because we want to fill the empty void within ourselves. Maybe it's because of too little love from others, or because we practice too little acts of love or self-love, or because we're not living in alignment with our surroundings and with nature. You see, all is connected, so look deep into nature and you will better understand yourself. A connection to nature and the body brings deep inner peace, great healing and transformative powers. Fitness and weight loss isn't just about hitting a certain number on the scale. It's about a healthy body, because a healthy body results in a healthy mind and soul. Fitness reduces health problems. It boosts your brain function and improves mental health. It improves the way you look and thus the way you feel about yourself. And workouts can be fun and enjoyable with the right music and setting. It can feel like you're dancing with Mother Nature herself. If you know what it is that you want to achieve through fitness, you will automatically want to exercise more to achieve those goals. Is it for health benefits? Is it to look better? Or is it for spiritual growth? We often overlook the spiritual benefits that fitness can provide. Every thought and emotion that we haven't completely processed still lives inside the body. That emotion and thought has energy to it. That energy is stuck inside the body and can't move through us. Moving the body helps to free the old energy and align you with your present self so that you can live your true life. We are a trinity of the physical, the energetic, the mental, the emotional, and the spirit. So use the physical form as a vehicle to align the body, mind, soul, and spirit with nature. You see, there's life within all things. All around you are spirits, and they live in earth. If you are conscious and listen, they will guide you. But you see, if you can use your imagination, you don't need the whole beach or farm to keep you happy. You simply need reminders of nature. It could be to keep a few plants in your home, or a few flowers, or it could be to look at pictures or videos of nature, or maybe you could listen to the sound of the wind or the sound of nature, maybe on YouTube, or simply just look up into the sky and you will see nature. I make fitness videos at the beach so that you can feel closer to nature even if you live in the city. So come and join me on this journey. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comment section.